Welcome all my dear friends to our pharmacy. In this informative session, we are going to know about the important key areas in our GPAT 2021 all subjects. In previous 9 videos, we had explained about each and every subject wise questions and answer. But in this video, we are going to know about the consolidated questions and answers for all the subjects. It includes pharmaceutics, pharmacology, pharmaceutical chemistry, other subjects. Totally 125 questions. First, the ointment absorption base. The answer is lanolin as well as petrolatum. Two answers. Okay. So we have not known about the clear answer. Second one, particle size analysis by using sedimentation technique. The answer is Anderson-Pipet method. Third, activation energy, that is 1.987 calorie decigram per ml. Fourth one, iontophoresis, it is not the gene insertion technique. Then fifth one, vaccines, tetanus toxoid, BCG live bacteria vaccine, hepatitis killed virus, and oral polio vaccine. Live virus, oral polio vaccine. Next question, according to ICH guidelines 10, one random answer is bracketing and another one option. Next question, seal coating is applicable for prevention of moisture penetration into tablet core. Then next question, dissolution rate is determined by Nash-Whitney equation. Ninth question, Rx, that is expressed under, it means take though, that is coming under superscription. Then question related to rubber closure, that is carbon black. Next question, hospital formulary. It deals with the list of drugs present in hospital. Then the efficiency of HEPA filter, that is 99.97% and 0.3 micron. Next, wrong statement about HMP shunt, that is non-oxidative phase is irreversible. Non-oxidative phase is irreversible. That is the wrong statement about HMP shunt. Then perfusion rate is limited when highly lipophilic. Next question, volume increases in which flow while increased shear stress, that is called as two answers, that is the guessing, pseudoplastic as well as dilatant flow. Then the next question, preservatives are not added in large volume parenterals. Then gene insertion technique except iontophoresis, because iontophoresis is not the gene insertion technique. Next question, Latin terms, oculus sinister left eye, oculus dexter right eye, auricula sinister left ear, and gutter throat. Next question, ocular insert, the drug reservoir is a thin disc of pilocarpine alginate complex sandwiched between two transparent discs of microporous membrane fabricated from ethylene vinyl acetone copolymer, that is OCUSET. Next question, water miscible liquids with greater ability to dissolve drugs may therefore be added to water to enhance drug solubility. These liquids are called as co-solvents. This phenomenon is called as co-solvency. Next question, rubber closure related to match the following: vulcanizing agent sulfur, accelerator 2-mercaptobenzothiazole, activator zinc oxide, stearic acid and zinc stearate. Then filter carbon black, limestone, asbestos and calcium carbonate. Next questions from pharmaceutical chemistry. First one, 4-membered cyclic fully saturated oxygen containing ring, that is called as oxetan, OXETAN. Then maximum absorbance in wavelength, that is called as lambda max. Then insulin It has 51 number of amino acids, total amino acids in insulin. Then fourth one, molecular orbital in 1,3 butadiene. It has 4 pi molecular orbitals. Then fifth one, volume. It is not the intrinsic property, because it is the extrinsic property. The actual question is, which one of the following is not the intrinsic property? That is volume. Then sixth question, not the colligative property, vapor pressure elevation, because colligative properties are osmotic pressure, freezing point depression, boiling point elevation, vapor pressure lowering. Then the next question, 3-bromo-2-butanol. It has 4 number of stereoisomers. Sometimes the answer may be 6 number of stereoisomers also. So 2 answers will be possible for this question. We have not got the clear idea about this question. Then hydrogen ion deficiency in C18H19N2PrO5, that is 10. Then glucose plus nitric acid gives glucuric acid. Then osmotic pressure is determined by Berkeley-Hartley method. Next, Dawson reaction, formation of epoxy ring. The next question, silver nitrate, that is used in the limit test for chloride. Next, Grignard reagent with formaldehyde gives primary alcohol. Then substitute present in cyclothiazide is 5-norbornene 2-yle. Next, beta oxidation of palmitic acid gives how many number of acetyl-CoA? The answer is 8 number of acetyl-CoA. Next, aldol condensation, that is related to 2-butanol. The next question is, pyranose and glucose exhibit which type of isomers? That is tautomers. In sometimes the answer may be stereoisomers also. Next, which one is correct in HMP shunt? ATP is not generated. Then relationship between vapor pressure and absolute temperature. The equation is Clapeyron equation. Then signal in 2,2-dimethyl propane is singlet. Non-endogenous opioid peptide is lipotrophin. The next question is, D-glucopyranose, alpha and beta cyclic forms of D-glucose, they differ from each other only around C1 carbon, that is anomeric carbon. The answer is anomers. Next question, half reaction, that is oxidation and reduction. Next question, 2,5 bis aminoxymethyl 3,6 diketopiperazine is cycloserine. The next question, class 1 residual solvents, benzene, carbon tetrachloride, dichloromethane and trichloroethane. The next question is, very weak acids with pKa value greater than 8. The answer is unionized at all pH values absorbed along the entire length of GIT. Now we can discuss about the pharmacology questions. Cerebrospinal fluid, which plexus of human brain contains capillaries and veins? The correct answer is choroid plexus. Total number of facial bones, 14. ASA, acetyl salicylic acid, is contraindicated for children due to Reye's syndrome. Then hyperkalemia, that is not a side effect of thiazide. Thiazide will not produce hyperkalemia. Next question, cyclosporin mechanism of action, that is inhibitor of transcription of IL-2 and inhibition of cytokinin production. The next question, paraglycoprotein found in epithelial cell lining of ileum or colon. Next question, desmethyl diazepam is not active metabolite of flurazepam. Then chitosan, the uses hypolipidemic, antimicrobial and antidiabetic? The answer will be all of the above, because chitosan is having antimicrobial and diabetic and hypolipidemia used in this condition. The next question, sitagliptin and vidagliptin are dipeptidase 4 inhibitor. Then wheel and flare is associated with type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. Then anamycin, it is coming under which class of antibiotic? The correct answer is rifampicin. Next question, flumazenil, it is the benzodiazepine antagonist drug. Next question, vigabatrin, the mode of action is GABA transaminase inhibitor. Then dihydrotestosterone, it is the orally active testosterone. Then CCB in angina, the drug of choice is verapamil. Then tricyclic antidepressant that demolishes or decreases the antihypertensive effect of the following drug. The correct answer is clonidine. Then nevirapine, that is the non-competitive inhibition of enzyme reverse transcriptase. The next question, severe blood loss having less supply of blood to the heart, that is called as cardiogenic shock. In some of the cases, the answer may be hypovolemic shock also. This is the random based, memory based answer only. Okay. Then drug least bound to antivascular tissue. The answer is muscles. Next question, hemophilia A is caused by clotting factor 8. Then class 1B antiarrhythmic drug, that is lidocaine. Then paraglycoprotein is present in epithelial of ileum. Next question, the question related to cardiac cycle. Split of cardiac cycle is Vs 0.3 seconds, As 0.1 second, Ad 0.7 second and Vd 0.5 second. The next question, which one is not a bronchodilator but still used as most effective drug in the treatment of asthma? It is not absorbed orally. The drug name is sodium chromoglycate. The next question, large scale randomization uncontrolled or unblinded trial are carried out 300 to 1000 patients extended clinical evaluation, that is clinical trial phase 3. Then non-epithelial malignancy tumor is fibrosarcoma. Then beta 1, beta 2 subunit agonist increases the conduction velocity, increase the automaticity, beta 2 vasodilatation and bronchodilation. Then propyl thiouracil mechanism, conversion of T4 to T3 inhibition is associated with, the answer is propyl thiouracil. Conversion of T4 to T3 inhibition is associated with propyl thiouracil. Next we can discuss about the pharmacognosy questions. In Gambier fluorescence test, the observation will be green fluorescence. Strychnine, it has indole as a basic ring. Gum acacia, it is coming under unorganized drug. Then chemotaxonomy, that is the classification of herbal drug, best describes synthesis and biogenetic pathways. In this category, chemotaxonomy is the most important one. The next question, isoquinoline ring is present in papaverine. Then limit for heavy metal in herbal plants according to USP, lead and arsenic. Then match the following: Bontragus test senna, Vitali-Morin test atropine, Thalloquine test quinine and Keller-Killiani test for digitalis. Then another match the following type question: monoterpenes example camphor, diterpenes example taxol, sesquiterpenes example zingiberine and tetraterpene example lycopene. Then the extract of plant or animal material dissolved in ethanol or alcohol is called as tincture. That is the definition according to United States of Pharmacopoeia. Hereafter we can discuss about the other subjects. First one, application for the issue to permit use of small quantities of drug for personal use. That is Form 12A. Power of Drug Inspector under Drugs and Cosmetics Act. That is Section 22. Then the next question from the other subjects. Schedules. Schedule F of ophthalmic preparations. Schedule M, good manufacturing practice. Schedule G, drugs taken under supervision of registered medical practitioner. Schedule P, life period of drugs. Then the last question. License is not required for the import of Schedule H drugs. The license is required for the import of Schedule C, C1 and X drugs. Dear friends, these are the GPAT 2021 memory-based key answers from pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacology, pharmacognosy and other subjects. I think the NTA answer key will be released today. So before that, just we have checked our answers on the basis of our memory. Thank you. All the best wishes for your successful GPAT 2021 examination. வாழ்க வளமுடன், வாழ்க வையகம். நன்றி.